Hello, in this video, we will look at passing objects to methods. You can pass primitive data type values to methods. It is passed by value. The objects can be passed to methods, and the way you pass it also passed by value, but the value is the reference value. Let's look at this example here. This is the print circle. We're going to print the circle, and here is the circle. You're going to print this C. When you invoke this method, print circle, you pass a circle object. This is my circle here. You passed it. This is passed by reference. My circle now pass the reference to C, and C points to the same object as my circle. So here's another example, test pass object. So let's see what we do with this. This is my circle here, and this is N is 5, and now print area my circle N. So what is this here is circle C, and here is you are going to change this. So what do we have? This is the radius starting from 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to have this is the radius is 1. Then we're going to print this table here. It's a radius and area, and this radius will be changed to be increased by 1. So C dot get radius plus 1. And this is the circle C, and here we have this C set radius, set a new radius, and this times, it begins with 5. Now time is reduced. And while times is greater than or equal to 1, and we will execute this body. And for this, we're going to display the radius and the corresponding area and set the new radius. So this goes starting from radius 1 and all the way to 5. So this is 5 times here. Now, what happens after this method is finished? So what is my circle dot get radius? So this is going to be 6. Why it is 6? Because your radius you changed. So C and my circle point to the same object. So after this is finished, C is gone. But the object's still there. Object's the same object from my circle. And this right here, you have this 5 times here, right? But the last time here, so this time is becoming, after this times minus minus becomes 0. So this is the last time here. This is, you set 6 to radius. So that's why this radius is 6, and N is still 5. Although you make changes on times, but the times and N, there are 2 different memory locations. So you reduce the time, you did not reduce N. So this is what happens. See the difference? Now they're all passed by value, but for primitive data type value is just a copy of the value is passed. For reference type of parameter, the reference value is passed. The reference value passed, but the objects is same. Same object is referenced by both parameter and the argument. All right, so this can be illustrated using this diagram here. You see this is the main method, and this is the 5, and passed here in the value passed 2 times. And this is my circle and points to the circle object. And here the reference value passed to C, and C points to the same object. So when you make changes in the object here, the change remains after this method is finished. So this my circle is still point to this circle object. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.